Are you thinking of selling your home and do you want to make sure to get top dollar and aren't stressed out from mistakes that can happen when hiring an inexperienced, unqualified, or discount broker, who, by the way, can't offer enough value, so the only way they can earn your business is by cutting their commission? Well then, this video series is for you. Watch just one or watch them all. We are going to educate and inform you of the secret hacks and tricks that top producing agents don't tell their competitors. Negotiations. Wow! After being in the business for over 30 years and negotiating over 3,000 contracts, if you're thinking of selling and you want to walk away with the most amount of money in your pocket, then this is the video for you. Hi, I'm Gita with Gita Salz & Associates. I have to say I've seen it all. Here are a few negotiation tricks to ensure you get top dollar when selling. Never, yes, I said never, take the first offer you get. Whenever a seller tells me that they sold their house in a day or a week, all I can think is, wow, they left a lot of money on the table. They should have allowed proper marketing time to ensure they got the most amount of money on the sale and the best terms. If you've got multiple offers, always counter more than one. In most cases, buyers will increase their offer or give better terms once they know they are competing with other people. Always tighten up time frames and negotiations as well. Get a higher deposit initially so that the buyer has more skin in the game. Be sure you are certain of the value of your home. If you or your agent aren't 100% sure about what the home is worth, be sure to address that by countering out the appraisal in relation to the purchase price. Also, be sure the buyer qualifies and has the funds to cover the difference between the offered amount and what the home is appraised at. Be sure to always contact the lender prior to accepting an offer and ask qualifying questions for them, like, have they run a credit report, verified employment, and seen the buyer's tax returns? Is the buyer fully approved? And has it gone through either desktop underwriting approval or to be determined approval? Listen, I can go on for hours about all of the things that you as a seller need to be concerned about when negotiating and countering offers. You shouldn't have to worry about this and what all these crazy terms mean. That's why you hire us. Call Gita Salz & Associates so we can walk you through successful negotiations and close of escrow successfully.